Hey guys, it's Miss Sauer. Today is Thursday, April 30th. We are still in Unit 10, Week 3 of Fundations. We're going to keep going from there. We are almost through Unit 10, which is pretty exciting. As we always begin, I would pick an activity to warm up with your child. You can either do the entire alphabet chant, A, apple, A, B, bat, B. Remember to include your digraphs in that. If you want to do something different, you can simply point to a sound and ask your child to tell you the sound. That way tends to be a little quicker and you can kind of troubleshoot exactly which sounds your child struggles with. You can pinpoint them and it might go a little quicker for you. All right, so these are all of the suffixes you know so far. What's the suffix you learned this week? You learned ing, and what does it mean? That means that the verb we're talking about is happening right now in the present tense. Which one of these suffixes means to have happened in the past? Suffix ed. And how many sounds does suffix ed have? If you're not sure, look back at the visual. That's right, 3 different sounds. Ed can sound like d, t, or id. There's one more suffix that you know. It was the first one we learned and the easiest one we learned, but it has 2 different meanings. It can mean more than one, or it can mean that something's happening now. Which suffix is that? Suffix s. Easy. Now, here's the thing. We know ing is a suffix now. You also know ing is a glued sound. So how are you going to be able to tell the difference? I have a secret way. You don't have to guess. There is a rule that you can follow. So when you're using suffixes and we mark them, we circle the suffix and we underline the what? The base word. So when ing is being used as a suffix, it must also have in front of it a whole base word, right? How about a glued sound? Does a glued sound need a base word? Nope, it's just a sound pattern. So you can take a word and cover up ing to decide what's left over. If it's a base word, a whole word on its own, circle it as if it's a suffix. If it only has a sound left, then it's being used as a glued sound. Mark it that way. So here's your first example. You could take your fingers and cover ing. You could take a piece of paper and cover ing. But either way, what do I have left? I have, is that a sound or is that a whole base word? This is a sound. So ing here is being used as a glued sound. I'm going to sort it over with the glued sounds. Let's pull up another one. Thinking. Remember, you can cover up ing using either your finger or a piece of paper. What's left? Is it just a sound or is it a whole base word? It's a whole base word, think. Sort it over with the suffixes. Okay, let's do some more. Keep you practicing. I have the word bring. Cover up that ing. What's left? Is this a word or is it a sound? This is just a sound. So ing is being used how this time? As a glued sound, sorted over there. Here comes another. Sing. Cover up ing. What's left? Definitely not a base word, right? So are we going to sort this with glued sounds or with suffixes? Glued sounds. I have the word bending. Cover up ing. You know what to ask yourself. Is this a base word or is this a sound? If it's a base word, is ing being used as a suffix or a glued sound? Suffix. Sorted over there. I'm making a mess in my room right now. Now I have the word missing. Cover up ing. What's left? Miss. Is that a sound or is that a base word? That is a base word. Sorted over with your suffixes. It's a mess in here now. All right, so your assignment today, it is going to be the glued sounds versus the suffixes. ing can function as both, but it's up to you, the student, to decide what it's being used at in each occasion. Here's the assignment today. If you were in Miss Sauer and Miss Azarano's class, you can head to Seesaw. This assignment is available on there with a reminder of the directions. You will be sorting the words based on their ing sound. Is it being used as a glued sound, or is it being used as a suffix? Remember the rule. If there is a whole base word when you cover up ing, like in the word missing, and it's being used as a suffix. If you're in a class that is not Miss Sauer and Miss Azarano's, I would grab a piece of paper, make yourself a T-chart, label one side glued sound ing, label the other side suffix ing. You can pause the video to keep these visuals available. Sort these words on the side. Sting, jumping, king, falling, cramping, bring. Remember to cover up the ing to see what's left. If a whole base word is left, it goes with the suffixes. If just a sound is left, it goes with the glued sounds. You did awesome. Good luck, everyone. Bye.